hotel room bedside nightstand is an important piece of real estate in every hotel room. Help guests wake up recharged and refreshed with an innovative teleadapt gadget that will revolutionize the guest experience. Introducing the award-winning Soundrise Hotel. The Soundrise Hotel is an elegant yet feature-packed alarm clock, FM radio, Bluetooth speaker, and USB phone charger all in one. It's been specifically designed to complement any hotel room environment. The Soundrise Hotel is compatible with every A2DP Bluetooth device, allowing wireless streaming to its high-quality speaker with UQ3 spatial sound enhancement. The Soundrise Hotel is full of features that are specifically designed with hotel rooms in mind. Some of these features include a single-day alarm with easy-to-use sliding on-off set switch, a dimmable brightness and blackout display, a built-in battery backup, keeps time alarm settings in place in case of a power outage, max volume control limit function, allowing you to limit the max sound volume on the unit. An integrated security lanyard and PSU security guard locks the unit in place. It comes equipped with 3.5mm line-in audio cable for direct connection to phones, tablets, and mobile devices. The elegant vertical design and small footprint allows the unit to fit into almost any decor or theme. Standard color options are black or taupe, now also available in custom color options to further match your room's decor. Whether guests are getting ready for an important meeting or they just want to enjoy melodious music, they no longer have to worry about finding the essentials. The two high-current 2.1-amp USB charging ports on top of the unit allow easy charging for multiple devices, while guests enjoy listening to their favorite music. Leaders in the hospitality industry have already adopted teleadapt technology in properties worldwide, including Four Seasons Hotels, Fairmont Hotels, JW Marriott, Sheraton, Hyatt, Crowne Plaza, Aloft, Westin Hotels, Holiday Inn, Ramada Inn, Element, and many more. Teleadapt, keeping your world connected. For more information, contact us at www.teleadapt.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-835-3232 to speak to a product expert.